a one-stop shop resource for content creators. Xpression Camera's powerful and innovative technology also functions as a creator platform, supporting an array of meme, GIF, cinematic, and social content generators, from image and video sourcing to creation, with professional tools that help you have complete control over your persona with one click. Xpression Camera reflects your facial expressions on any photo in real time to create content, including videos, GIFs, memes, and more. Images can be from the web, camera roll, or social media. You can become any image with a face. Pictures, video chat without webcam. Our new voice-to-face technology lets you be off camera, while the app fully animates your image on screen. You like to pace all on a video call? No problem. Let your voice drive your image on screen. Your facial features are naturally animated, but you don't need to be stuck.